What's up? My name's Jack, and I've failed at building a ton of businesses, but exited 2 of them. So, at 25, I don't think it's that bad. I very much so want to maximize my capability of fixing the world's problems. Who doesn't, right? And so I think I'm onto a unique idea when it comes to doing that. At any time, with your device in your hand, you can grab it and you can go watch engaging videos. These engagement algorithms are absolutely what run our social media platforms today. Their goal is to keep you in bed all day. That is its primary function. To some degree, it is a demon sucking your soul. And in its perfect effect, you do nothing. And I think we need to see the opposite of that. I think we need a mobile video app that is a quest for the best and most empowering video every single day. And so you can pick up your phone and make it a true device. D being demoting something and vice being something addictive that you shouldn't want to do. It's in the fucking name. And we just need to bring this to existence because we're all connected by these things. And we all have this opportunity to share and spread information. But if you do imagine that perfect video that someone watches on the current apps that we have, that video quickly gets diminished. It can only get spread through people sharing it. But if someone watches it and they go off of the app and they go call their parents, they go help someone, they go back into the real world, empowered and feeling great, then the algorithm is going to say that is a bad video. And I think we can all understand that that is a great video. And I think we need an app and a platform that focuses on curating and finding those videos as a global search every day for the best vibes. I'm building this, and I'd love to have you follow the journey. It was good to meet you, and I look forward to having an empowerment app on every phone in the world. You want to be empowered? Mm-hmm. Yeah? She needs some empowerment right now. What app are you going to grab your phone and then go find some empowerment on?
Socialverse.
That Socialverse is this sort of head company.
I think you should call it
Focus Feed. I might do Holy Bible. The best vibes of the world. The other things that I was thinking of was just empowerment, just like call it that. How
would users be uploading content?
Yes.
How would you have just like hundreds of people like tweeting out what they're allowed to post? How would you do that?
So same thing as TikTok's algorithm, but what gets pushed to the top is what gets people to leave the app rather than what gets people to stay on the app. And so obviously we need to be able to track the difference between a standard exit and an inspired exit. So we have a button on there. And so that is our data point that we're tracking. So if someone just exits the app randomly after a video, that doesn't count. But right when you open the app, it's gonna let you know, hey, here's this button. You click this button when you watch a video that you feel ready to just leave your phone and go back into the real world. And so when you click that, that exits the app with intent. And that intent is the data that we're taking, which is saying this user was empowered, so this is a good video. And we're just categorically ranking the videos by the percent of inspiration or empowerment that it gives to people. And so it's similar to the For You page where people will be watching videos and searching for the one that empowers them. And every day it's a hunt for that. And the goal is the more and more the app gets used, the more and more data that's coming in, the better that top video is going to be because it's a bigger search and a bigger hunt. The monetization model for this actually is pretty interesting. You know, it's counterintuitive to say that this is something that the creators could earn a lot from because there's just less watch time on this sort of platform. But there's more value. And I think there's enough people who want this sort of healthy form of social, of a way to engage with media, but to download inspiration and empowerment, that you will give all of the videos for free. But someone can subscribe if they want to see the top video. The number one video will be hidden to a subscription. And so it's like if you want the best vibe of that day, you must pay and be a subscriber. That's then something that can be taken and given as a lottery back to people. And this won't be in the original version that we're launching. I'm diving deeper into the ideation of, okay, where does this go? How does it monetize? How do we incentivize creators to make continually more and more empowering and inspiring videos? So it's like somewhat of a lottery system where you're competing to get the cash that people are paying into this system because they're deriving so much value from it. And if you make the most inspiring video that day, you get the reward. People compete to make the most inspiring video. Everyone inspires each other. People dive into the app in order to find inspiration. And at the end of the day, it's inevitable that this exists. We have the engagement algorithm maximized. We haven't seen the empowerment algorithm really tried. And I think that's a super, super interesting thing. I think we're at the perfect time in culture to push this. It really does require a critical mass of users for that data to be powering us with really good videos and really good creators making these good videos. And to some degree, we might actually find threads of videos that are best. And that's something we can definitely track, which is to say, first this video, and then this video is what inspired people. It might not just be a singular video, but it could be the culmination of when you watch this, and this has a super high hit rate of having people leave the app. And so that is simply a data mechanism that's necessary. It's so interesting to me what that is that will get people to engage or get off the app the most, right? And I figure in the future, you'll truly be able just to like open your phone, look at your phone as a true device where it pushes you to be a better person. That best video. That's exciting. That's very exciting. You know what? The subscription will be for the historical top videos of the past. I think that's a good way to do it. We'll be building a repository of the dankest vibes of the world. Oh, we could call it Golden Feed.
I think the biggest question you'll get is you're obviously competing with the biggest app in the entire world. And it does exist based off of how users are. And like my feed looks very different from people engaging with dancing videos.
Well, yeah, this is an engagement algorithm. It's what you engage with the most. So it's
That's
what's
what
gonna
TikTok is.
correct. So whatever's gonna keep you on the app the most. I'm saying that's what exists. What we're building is the opposite of that. We're building an app that its entire goal is to get you off of the app as fast as possible.
But that would mean like all videos would have to be created to like, I mean, I love scrolling for like 30 minutes on just like inspirational stuff. Like why does like me watching an inspirational video need me to be like, oh, I need to stop looking at my phone?
Well, I think at a certain level of inspiration that I've experienced, I watch certain videos and I've felt extremely amazing about the world and about myself and about my place in it. And I feel like that's something that is something I've had to try to curate. Like, I only did it on Instagram, and even then my feed is messed up because they're bringing me For You stuff. I've just tried to follow specific accounts that do that media, and that is my mini empowerment algorithm. I'm not saying it's impossible to find inspiration or motivation. I'm saying that we haven't optimized for it, and I think that that'll be really interesting. Because what if you could get inspired within 10 minutes rather than 30? And I think just the very notion of this idea that if there is a video that has a super high amount of people who exit the app after, that gets diminished, is just such proof of the nature of the algorithm. You'll have inspiring stuff, but you're never going to have the most inspiring stuff. It wants to give you the inspiring stuff where you feel inspired, but you just feel the inspiration. Not on a visceral level. It's a controlled level of inspiration.